Hi, I'm Monica Brinkerhoff. I'm the Associate Vice President for Early Childhood Education here at United Way of Tucson in Southern Arizona. Since 1999, United Way has been a leader in early childhood education. In those early years, we brought together early childhood organizations and agencies to come together around shared goals that every child aged birth to 8 in our community would thrive. So a child needs to thrive, and in order to thrive, they need a healthy home environment, they need healthy development, and they need healthy education. So education is one piece of that. Parent education and support is also another piece of that. What we know is that investing in early childhood development and education provides gains later on, and it's a great financial investment. For every dollar invested, we know that it results in about $7 to $14 in the future. It can impact the individual child, their family, the employer, and the community as a whole. And it impacts our future by preparing our future workforce. United Way is well positioned to lead efforts in early childhood education. One, because we have the history. We've been in this sector since 1999, and we've been a leader in the community in those early years. Through our first focus on Kids Coalition, we were the first to convene partners to come together and establish shared goals around early childhood. Essentially, we all want every child aged birth to age 8 to thrive. Another of our efforts is around supporting the early childhood workforce. Why? Because we can't have an early childhood and early education system without early educators to do the job. With funding from First Things First and in partnership with over 17 organizations, we lead a grant called Great Expectations for teachers, children, and families. This grant provides professional development using a community of practice model and job-embedded coaching, and helps educators not only learn new skills that are important to their work, but also helps them establish a pathway to degree attainment in early childhood education. With our partners, we are also actively seeking solutions to our current workforce crisis, which was a problem before the pandemic, and now with COVID has become an outright crisis. With funding from the Diamond family and others, we're actively engaged in efforts to increase access to high-quality early care and education, because every child deserves access and every family needs affordable childcare for their child. We've worked closely with the county to support the development and the implementation of the Pima County Early Education Program, or PEEPS scholarships as it's commonly known. And because of that relationship, we developed a program called Accelerate Quality that's designed specifically to complement the PEEPS program. In Accelerate Quality, we help providers increase their quality so they have access to those county scholarships for children. We either help support them on their new journey toward quality improvement, or if they're already high quality, we help them expand their services so that they can open new classrooms and serve more children. We also engage in early literacy efforts, because early literacy is a foundation for all future learning. We implement a program called My Summer Library, which provides 12 free books to children for them to read over the summer and add to their home libraries. Often, these are the first books that children ever receive. Having books to read over the summer helps children stay fresh on their reading so that when they go back to school, they've already been reading over the summer. All of this only happens because of the collective efforts of people, organizations, businesses, government, and others in our community that care. Join us in our efforts to make sure that Pima County is a great place for our youngest children to thrive.